Let's talk about fungi. They cause stains, which are the hardest to remove. It's a fungus which is born under the membrane. Why does it appear under the membrane? Because we haven't used a geotextile in ours, for example, which is a fungicide that prevents fungi. There is a brutal infection under the pool. There's a septic tank that is very close, and no action has been taken with the disinfectant treatment before installing the membrane, etc. Therefore, my recommendation is this. Is it a fungus? We can see then with these liquids, the fungus does not disappear. Then we need to act on the back of the membrane. I have seen fungi that make black and round stains, which are fungi colonies. How do they do it? The fungus has the ability to go through almost anything, and the membrane is no exception. Through its mycelium, from one part of the fungus, it crosses and creates colonies on the surface. But the real problem is under. Alright, there is a direct disinfection system with almost no necessity of removing water from the pool, and it is pretty easy to do. We will do it in a future video. We need to find a fungus. And when we find it, we will do it and upload it to the channel, just so you all know.